Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some naked chicken legs.
Naked?
Yeah, naked. Big old long tray. I'm not going to fix them all now. Fix some for now and fix some for dinner. But I'm going to be marinating them all right now. I'm going to use this Instant Pot insert. It wasn't no Instant Pot. My pressure cooker insert. It was a Cicero. So I had to throw it away, but I kept this. Nice stainless steel. Whatchamacallit. So I'm going to wash these legs and I'll be back. Okay, just wash these legs. Patted them dry with a paper towel. So, this is all the stuff I'm going to put on. Smoked paprika. There's no salt or sugar in that. Rotisserie chicken. There's no sugar in here, but it is salt. Of course, I'll start off with my yellow mustard. There's no salt or sugar in here. Let me make sure. It is some salt in it. I'm using the lemon pepper. No sugar in it. Cooking for Nikki too, because she can't have sugar and not a lot of salt, and I don't need a lot of salt. So I'm trying to cook more healthy. Ground white pepper. Italian seasoning. No salt or sugar in this. What else? Crushed red pepper. And black pepper. Okay. And I'm going to start with the mustard. Plain old hot dog mustard, yeah. Shake it up. This is a new bottle. Shaking it up. Just don't squirt it in here. Okay. Rotisserie chicken seasoning. White pepper. I'm using less than a teaspoon, y'all. Less than a half a teaspoon. I can sprinkle this freely. Italian seasoning. No salt or sugar in here. I'll tell you what is in here. Marjoram, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, savory, and sage. Okay. All the good stuff. And what brand is this? Stone Mill. This came from Aldi. Okay, lemon pepper. Spice Walla. There is salt in here. This doesn't have a shaker top. Put a little more of that. This is some good stuff, y'all. Let me put the paprika. Just paprika in here. This is smoked paprika. It tastes different from the regular paprika. Black pepper. And red pepper flakes, crushed red pepper. Looks good. That's how it looks right now. I need a glove for this, y'all. Rubber band. So the glove don't come off. These cheap gloves I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna smush all the seasonings and the mustard and everything. Try to season them as evenly as possible. Try to distribute these seasonings. Getting down to the bottom. This piece still kind of white. Look at that. I got everything. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna put them in my Ninja Foodie extra large grill. And this is the fry basket. This is what I'm putting it in. And I put a piece of parchment paper up under this. Catch some of them drips. I'm trying to stagger the legs, one up, one down, so to fit in here better. It's okay if they're touching. I don't have breading on them to be knocked off. Just the seasoning. And they're gonna get knocked off. I'm gonna do this and I'll be back. Okay, this is how these legs look in here. I got 6 legs, and I still got 6 left in here. We can have for later or another day. So, okay, we'll close it. Angle it away from the outlet so hot air is not blowing into there, because it's hot air that blows out the back of this. Turn it on, put it on air crisp, turn it up to 400 degrees. I'll say 22 minutes, because these are some big old legs. I'll say 24 minutes because they're cold. I just got them out the fridge, washed and seasoned them. And I'm not going to preheat. I'm going to press that. It says add food. Open it. So that cancels out the preheat. Okay. So I will be back, y'all. Hi, y'all. Okay, while the chicken legs are air frying, I'm going to steam some vegetables. California style vegetable mix and cauliflower. And I'll be using my Presto kitchen kettle. You can fix some of everything in it. It's all purpose. You can deep fry in it. You can make soups. You can braise meats. Look, y'all seen some of my videos where I've used it. This is one more thing that I'm using. So let me lower this so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I need to stop chewing this gum. Can't see. Okay. This is the steamer basket, and also if you want to deep fry, this is what you use. So I'm not going to use the handle. Oh, this is what the Presto kitchen kettle looks like. I'm going to put some, instead of water, I'm using chicken broth in the bottom of it. So that's what's going to be steaming the vegetables. I'm not going to use all of this. Maybe half. I never steamed vegetables before in this, so I'm not sure how much. I think I use half of this. Okay, put the basket in here. It's going to fit it right on here. I don't think I'm supposed to sit it down. I ain't got no feet on it, so it's supposed to hang on the side of the basket. Open this. Do I need to open up too? Nope. Okay. Now, I'm going to season it. Oh, I'm not sure if I can use this or not. I'm not sure if Nikki can have it. This is black pepper. I'm not going to turn this on since the water is in here. I mean the liquid. Turn to 300. I'm going to keep going. Stop. Italian seasonings. No salt in it, so I can sprinkle freely. What I love about this stuff. That's all I had. That's this steam. Okay, I will be back. This is what I was looking for. The garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Because no salt is in here at all. Yet. But it's in here. Okay. So I will be back. Let me show y'all how this looks in here. That's how that looks. And it's starting to steam already. And as the vegetables thaw out and get soft and all that, then I'll stir them so the seasoning can go all through them. Right now it's just on the top. Can you see all this steam, y'all? That's how the vegetables look. It's only been a couple minutes. Let me look down in here. You see that water down there is boiling? Okay. Wow. Let me see if this is done. No. Let them steam for a few more minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to show y'all the chicken. It just beeped, just now. These are naked legs, y'all. You hear it sizzling? Cut it off. Stop. Cut it off. Okay, and unplug it. So I'll be back. Okay, this is my plate. I'm eating less. I'm eating vegetables, y'all. I didn't bread my chicken. And if you cook chicken with the skin on it, you don't have to use oil at all. So I consider this healthy. Got to have my bread. I'm going to make at least one chicken dog. So this is my thumbnail. I'm going to put some hot sauce on this. And I'm going to eat. Here's my chicken dog, y'all. Okay, I got hot sauce on it. I'm just going to break off some. It's a little bit crispy, the seasoning. Breaking up. Oh, it's hot. Whew. I'm getting it in the hot sauce. Make me want to lick my fingers. Good. I'm going to taste a vegetable. I'm done. It's steamed. That was a carrot. That was a broccoli stem. Cauliflower. Okay, this is the beginning of my eating healthy and eating less journey. That's a little bit of food on that plate. I'm just so used to eating, filling my plate up with a whole lot of unhealthy things. I know. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. 2 greasy thumbs up. Leave me a nice message and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 5:22 p.m. here on Friday the 13th, y'all. Okay, y'all be blessed. And I don't even need no fork. Bon appetit.